First, peel off the main lock adhesive. Align the adhesive on the back of the main lock. Press the adhesive firmly. Second, peel off the latch adhesive. Put the adhesive on the back. Make sure drawers are parallel to edges. Along the lines of folding line 2, fold in half. Remove mounting aid sticker and align drawer cabinet edges. Stick it up. Tear off the lock adhesive. Glue the lock against the line, marking along the auxiliary stickers. Use cabinet side line 2 as a base for attaching auxiliary stickers. Tape the latch along the line. Check that the installation is satisfactory. Screw in the screws and the installation is complete.